Well, storm's just gone over, massive winds, so nothing to do on the pond today. It's impossible. The covers are holding up quite well, and this one got ripped up a bit. That's easy enough just to fix. Let's say the wind and the rain last night was terrible. Notice one problem is that the water's lying on this cover, so I'm going to have to figure that out. It's going to be too heavy to lift. There we go. Fish underneath and staying at the bottom. Put some food in before, but they haven't touched it. Not seen okay under there. So today is a day of doing nothing because it is just absolutely terrible. High winds, heavy rain. The new design of the floor around the pond is ideal. Before, where the water used to just basically hang around like a small little pond itself, a pool of water, I've now got it on a slight angle. There we go. It now slides down this way and it goes underneath slits in the bottom of the wood under the fence, and underneath that fence there is a sump drain that I put in, so the water goes underneath through the slits all along there and drops into the sump underneath to get rid of it. So this side does exactly the same as well. Comes down like a ramp and drops down into here. Oh, I still got this top end to do. As you see here, the water's just literally stays in one place where it falls, but all this needs renewing. I'll get all this done as soon as I get some decent weather. This is, as you can see here, it's sort of flooded. That floods up and it goes into the summer house. So that as well now has to be altered so that it's on a slope, and it also goes into the drain system. Next year's strawberries are doing well. They've started to grow. And also the cucumbers are still doing fine. Not a problem with those. There's more coming, so that'll have to be put away into the summer house in the next couple of days. Last of the tomatoes, just starting to turn yellow, orange, so those will be ready for picking. Onions in the pots, they're ready as well, the last of the onions, but the pond itself, impossible to do anything. Finished the sides of the ponds and just managed to get the electrics in. I did coat the pond with a mixture of honey and milk. Now you might be asking, why honey and milk? Well, the honey and milk on the pond, one, it keeps bacteria away from the pond, from the wood should I say. It also waterproofs the wood, and it's quite simple to do. You just get a jug of milk, pour some hot honey in it, whisk it all up, and then just brush it on the side of the pond with a paintbrush, and it basically makes it waterproof. makes the wood waterproof, should I say, and any water on the wood will just fall off. You might be able to see it here, where the water is basically just coming off. Very simple idea that I found on a Philippine website many years ago. They used it to stop the wood from rotting. You just put milk and honey, only 1 spoonful of honey, any sort of honey does, the cheapest possible, and you just rub it on with the milk with a paintbrush, and the water just runs off. Water doesn't have a chance to soak in. Difficult to show you really, but it does work, and it also keeps any mould or anything from the wood. Anyway, enough for today. It's absolutely thrashing it down again, and I'm standing here and I'm getting soaked, getting literally drenched. So as for Friday, this is it. No really update on anything today. I will over the weekend be doing an update on what you should do to kill off all the parasites that might be in your pond before the winter comes, and I'll be showing you what chemicals I use and how I use them to maintain the pond free of parasites during the winter months. Take care, subscribe, see you in the next one.